What's up, beautiful people? If you're new to my channel, I'm Sue, and welcome back to those of you who know me. I'm here to share with you guys a hair hack that is going to change your life. Can you believe I got these without any heat? One of my previous videos was all about how to get healthy hair, and one of the biggest changes I've made to my hair routine is to use less heat. So hairstyles like this are absolutely crucial. They keep me away from my curling wand and hair straightener, and I couldn't ask for anything more. So if you want to find out how I achieve natural looking curls or waves in my hair without any heat, just keep watching. I just want to say a quick thank you for watching and subscribing. And please don't forget to hit the bell so you're notified of all my Friday videos. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So what you're going to need for this tutorial is a comb, also a bottle of water, or in this case I'll be using a leave-in spray conditioner to wet my hair, and lastly some clips. So what you want to do is start off by combing out your hair, ensuring that there are no knots or tangles. And because I like my curls somewhat large, I'll just be dividing my hair into two. If you do want tighter curls, you can section your hair into many more pieces. You'll just need that many more clips. So to start, I'm just going to clip back this section. And I'll just be working with this one first. Now you just want to go through and wet the side of your hair. It doesn't need to be soaking, but I like it just a little damp. And then I just like to brush it through so I get the product spread out through your hair. And that way you can kind of figure out if your hair is wet enough. So you could actually do this at night and go to sleep with this hairstyle, or you could do it during the day and let your hair dry for a little bit. So then you're just going to want to brush it up, especially if you're going to sleep. You want to try to get it as high as possible so that it's comfortable when you're sleeping. Once you have it up, and I kind of like to make sure that I'm closer to the front, and that way my curl will start closer to the root of my hair. So once you have this, I'm just holding it, what you want to do is start to just twist it around and around on itself. I'm literally just twisting my hair. It looks silly. And as you twist, see that the tighter you twist, it starts to sort of like twist in on itself. So twist, and then just wrap it around itself. Like so. Then once you have it all wrapped around, I just like to flip this off, and then that should hold. If you are going to go to sleep with it, it might be beneficial to flip it from the front, and that way it's a little bit more comfortable to sleep. But that should hold. Now for the next side. Just quickly brush it through. So again, like a ponytail, I'm just going to bring this up high. And once I have it up here, I'm going to just start twisting. Like I said, it just sort of starts twisting in on itself. Just clip it away. Just make sure that it is secure enough to hold through the night if you are going to wear it while you're sleeping. Otherwise, we're just going to wear it through the day and take it out after a few hours once your hair has dried. Then just make sure it's secure enough that, you know, it won't come out while you're doing whatever you're doing all day. Okay, and I will see you in a few hours for the reveal. Alright you guys, time to take this out. Now I just want to carefully undo this. Just make sure that it's not wet. Mine feels pretty dry. I'll leave that for now. Once you look right crazy, slowly start taking this out. I like to take it out a piece at a time. I find if you unravel your one big curl into pieces like this, it just creates less frizz. If you want to create a little volume, you can go ahead and just shake it from underneath. There you have it. I'm in love with how this looks, especially if you're tired of damaging your hair but you still want curls. This is a great way to achieve that look. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the notification bell if you want to see all my Friday videos. Let me know if you guys try this. I would love to see how yours turn out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Imagine all the stars in one place.